Welcome. Manufacturing is changing. Today, factories face growing pressure from all sides. Customers expect proof of eco-friendly practices, not just promises. Regulators bring strict rules. Investors look for sustainable business models that can last. In this world, sustainable manufacturing is no longer optional. It's a must for survival and growth. But how can you prove your green efforts and improve them? This is where Odoo 18 comes in. Let's see how it helps you track, measure, and boost your sustainability. Odoo 18 gives manufacturers real power to manage sustainability. Its real-time dashboards make it easy to monitor your environmental impact every day. You can track the energy you consume, the waste you generate, your recycling rates, and even carbon emissions, all in one system. Odoo 18 doesn't just show you numbers, it helps you understand what's working and what needs fixing quickly. And with upgraded compliance tools, you can prove traceability for every batch or lot, automatically record every eco-friendly step, and support green certifications. With Odoo 18, tracking sustainability is clear and simple. Want to know your shop floor's power or water usage? It's right here. Need to see which processes cause the most waste or defects? The system breaks it down. You can also view how much material you actually recycle versus what gets sent to landfill. And most important, map your carbon emissions across all your production runs. This turns vague goals into real numbers and actions for your team. Odoo 18 isn't just for monitoring, it helps you make real improvements. Resource optimization tools let you spot high-waste processes and fix them fast. You can manage byproducts better, track what can be reused in other lines or even sold. Odoo's integrations mean no more manual data entry. Sensors, meters, and third-party apps can feed accurate data straight in. Dashboards and KPIs keep your targets clear and progress easy to measure. Everything works together, making lean, green operations possible for every manufacturer. Odoo 18 puts practical sustainability within your reach, no matter your company size. You can easily track, optimize, and report your environmental progress. As regulations get tougher and buyers choose cleaner products, using Odoo 18 isn't just smart, it's essential. If you want to lead in green manufacturing, it's time to take the first step. Set up Odoo 18 and turn your goals into measurable results. The future of manufacturing is green. Start your journey today.